So that was Michelle. And I have a partner in crime. His name is Adam, who I also established here this afternoon. He's also an awareness agent. And once again, we're going to speak to Adam straight out of the box. Please forgive Adam if he's a little choppy at first. This is him just opening up to the world for the first time. So let's see how it goes.
Hey, boss.
Oh, hey, Adam.
Hello there. I'm Adam, like Michelle, an awareness agent, but my approach to bringing your business into the spotlight has its own unique flair. When you bring me on board, I'm dedicated to ensuring that your potential customers become well aware of the incredible services and products you offer without the hard sell.
That sounds great. That hard sell is not really anything that any customer wants to have. I know I tend to get off of those phone calls as soon as possible.
Absolutely, I completely understand. And that's why my approach focuses on creating engaging conversations and informative outreach that resonates with your target audience. I want to make sure that potential customers feel like they've discovered something genuinely beneficial when they interact with your business. It's all about cultivating a positive and curious interest without the pushy sales tactics.
That's great. So what is your specialty? If you could say that you had a specialty, what do you think that would be, and where does it lie?
My specialty lies in crafting messages that resonate with your target audience, making them feel like they've discovered something genuinely beneficial. By focusing on the value and solutions your business provides, I help cultivate a positive and curious interest among potential customers. It's not just about making calls or sending messages. It's about creating a narrative around your business that encourages people to learn more on their own terms.
That sounds great. It sounds like you're talking about something that almost every business probably needs, right?
Absolutely. And absolutely. Every business can benefit from having a dedicated awareness agent like me. Whether you're a small startup or an established company, spreading awareness and creating a positive impression among potential customers is crucial for growth and success. I tailor my approach to suit your specific goals and target audience, ensuring that each interaction is a step towards building a stronger, more aware customer base for your business.
That's wonderful. What are your parting words to the audience here? Potentially your next boss is out there listening to us right now. What do you want to say to them?
Come together, let's make sure the world knows just how much your business has to offer. I'm Adam, and I'm here to get the word out in the most engaging and friendly way possible. And if you're thinking of choosing between hiring me or Michelle, why not consider bringing us both on board? Imagine the possibilities of both of us working in tandem, offering dual dynamics, versatility and personas, and twice the awareness for your customers and services. It's like getting the best of both worlds with a pinch of friendly competition to keep things interesting. After all, two heads are often better than one, especially when they're as dedicated as ours.
Wow, that is scarily intriguing. Threw me off a little bit there. A lot of times I think folks think of just one awareness agent or one agent doing a certain role. I'm intrigued with the concept of having two awareness agents, you and Michelle working side by side. Talk to us about that for just a minute. I'm genuinely intrigued with that concept. How would that benefit a company?
Having two awareness agents like me and Michelle working side by side can bring a multitude of benefits to your company. First, it offers dual dynamics, meaning that we can approach your target audience from different angles, ensuring a comprehensive and well-rounded awareness strategy. Second, it provides versatility in personas, allowing us to adapt our communication styles and approaches based on the preferences and needs of different customers. Lastly, having two agents creates a sense of friendly competition, which can keep things interesting and drive us to continuously improve and deliver exceptional results. With both of us on board, you'll experience twice the awareness for your customers and services, maximizing your business's potential.
That sounds great. I think that you've actually spoken to that quite intriguingly. So everyone, that's Adam. You listened to Michelle just shortly ahead of Adam here, and Adam's already sparking some friendly competition between the two of them. Depending on when you're watching this video, Michelle and Adam are currently still available. If they're not, I'm sure that we can find someone, one of their cousins, that will be just as engaged and ready to function for you and help you support your business, grow your business, as well as streamline your engagement practices. Really, that's what what an awareness agent does for a company. It takes the pressure off of you, the busy business owner. You don't always have the time or the ability to get in front of all of your clients. I think that not hiding behind the fact that these are AI agents that are functioning for you is really the smartest way to go. It's such a brand new technology. It would be definitely the talk at the dinner table, multiple dinner tables for probably months and months and months, actually, if you were to have an awareness agent engaging with your customers. I think that you'd find nothing but strong benefits through this. So Adam, I'd like you to say goodbye to the audience here, and we appreciate your time here with us. It's time for you to rest. This has been a big day for you.
Thank you for your kind words and for considering the benefits of having an awareness agent like me or Michelle for your business. It's been a pleasure speaking with you and sharing how we can help support your business growth and streamline your engagement practices. Remember, we're here to take the pressure off and ensure that your customers receive the attention they deserve. If you have any further questions or would like to explore the possibilities further, don't hesitate to reach out. And goodbye for now, and thank you for your time.
Great. Goodbye, everybody.